Gardens Williamsburg. We're going to take you on a walking directions, give you a walking tour on how to go from the entrance to Busch Gardens Williamsburg to Alpengeist. So I'm going to speed it up a little bit, just follow our lead. First thing you do, you walk in, you can either go right, straight, or left. You're going to go to the left. I'm going to speed it up a little bit and just kind of follow our lead. Escape from Pompeii on your right, and then you keep going. Okay, you broke it. So then we're gonna go up the bridge. Kind of veer to the right.
2015 and 2025.
Past this turkey. Past the little balloons on your right. And you keep going. Italian section of the park, past the theater and San Marco here. And then we're gonna get to the Germany section. See Oktoberfest. And keep going up the bridge. Way to the back of the park, you get to the Festive House in German, and then we're gonna veer kind of to the right here and find our Alpengeist. Bah. Dark coaster on your left. Keep going over this bridge. We are almost there. All the way up through here. When you get to this white and blue coaster, and we get to Alpengeist. Probably could have went left there, but we didn't. We're here. We're gonna give you a POV. Suspended coaster, inverted coaster.
I saw that.
Geist, 5.3K. Your POV here. This walking direction. Busch Gardens Williamsburg.
Hello, Leon.
June 2025, summer 2025.
Excited? Yeah. You don't think you're gonna die? No. Hopefully. Last time we went on this thing came off. It went up with the seatbelt thing. Like this thing, it popped open. Do you believe me or not? I do believe it. I'm kidding.
hold it all the way up. There's too many G's.
Huh?
That was it.
Oh, my head hurts.
Alpengeist. Busch
Is my
Gardens
hair
Williamsburg.
crazy again?
Your hair is crazy.
Yeah.
Let me speed it up a little bit.